Welcome back, boys and girls, to the second devlog for Skirm, World's Arena. Took a break from the fighting gameplay to work on something a bit more interesting. That's right, character customizability.
Yeah, character
Goodness.
Oh my god. Is that? I don't even know what's going on right now. What the fuck?
As can be seen in the previous stage of this developmental main screen, there are 5 things that can be customized. The hair, skin color, poncho, outfit, and the skirt. Whatever option is picked is saved to a text file, and I created a character loader script to enable and disable certain items depending on what number is saved to that text file. The color component for each of the materials is automatically saved by Unity, so the text file has no data containing the color of any of the outfit choices. Hair, for example, I created 8 styles in Blender, and I made them all children of the head in Unity. By attaching a cloth component to each hair model, it allows for it to bounce, resulting in one of the greatest inventions in the course of human history. Add spike. Jiggle. Woo! Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay. If we look at ponchos, I created 3 types in Blender. I made them all children of the chest and added a cloth component. By adding colliders to the body and the arms, it allows for the cloth to interact with the body and have an animation despite whatever action the players perform. At the moment, I only have these to customize, but I'll probably be adding more stuff as I go along. In the main menu, I created my own custom button class and added some sick animations for transition. I mean, look at this. The public button launches a player straight into matchmaking, while the private button opens up a new panel. I don't know why the private button doesn't light up like the other buttons. I need to fix that, but that opens up into a separate panel and players can join our host based on the room names that they share with their friends. I used Photon for all networking purposes and was planning on making a tutorial for the matchmaking that I set up. There aren't many newer tutorials for Photon right now, and many of the old ones seem to have stuff that's outdated and doesn't really work. I don't know if you guys want it or not, but you know, I'm all about helping the needy. So I came up with this new style for the UI of actually using 3D modeled objects that are flattened onto a 2D surface, or in some cases I just leave them as a 3D object. But basically that way I'd be able to get the same two-tone sort of shading that the game regularly has, and it just merges a lot better with the rest of the art in the game. But other than that, I don't really have anything cool to show you guys. I'm about to work on some particle effects, making it pretty, changing up some of the attacks. But I just appreciate you guys hanging around for this update, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then.